I'm afraid of her.
They play together all the time now.
I'm kind of afraid of her.
I guess he's not going to do anything differently.
She's not looking at him.
Come on, up.
Just walk together next to each other and see. I'll follow along.
Now, you want to walk too? Looks like, you know, there's treats out here.
It's good for him to have a companion to go walking with. Does he play with anybody out in the yard anymore?
I keep them separate.
Yeah. It's almost like he doesn't really seem to care very much.
Well,
okay.
No, that's a piece of old pizza.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
There she is. No,
Okay.
get alone.
All right, so next we'll do